Hi, welcome to Fratello InnoTech, your ultimate destination for learning latest technologies.
Hello everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about dashboards and visualizations in MS Excel. So before doing practically, so we have to know some key points about dashboards and visualizations and where we are using these dashboards. So dashboard in MS Excel is a single screen that shows important information clearly. So dashboard use charts and tables and numbers to summarize the data. So visualizations in Excel include the charts and graphs and icons. So it helps to users to understand data quickly, and dashboards are useful for tracking the performance, and business use dashboard to monitor sales and profits. So students use the visualizations for projects and reports. Dashboards reduce the need to read the long data tables. So Excel visualizations make data easy to compare. So dashboards are useful in schools and offices and companies. So here we have sample data, sales data, date, region and salesperson, product unit sold and unit price and total sales. So this is the sales data set. So here I am creating the uh, pivot tables and pivot charts. By using the pivot tables and pivot charts, now I am going to create the dashboard. So here we have sales data. So in the previous session we have discussed that how to create the pivot charts and pivot tables. So just select the data. So to select the entire table, just use the shortcut Control Shift right arrow and down arrow. So it will select the entire table. So now I am creating the pivot table for the data set. See that so here we have to find the total sales by region and sales by product and performance by salesperson, monthly sales trends. So to create the dashboard we have to create the pivot tables and pivot charts. So we have to add the slices and timelines for the sales data set. Just go to the data, click on the pivot table. So if you want to create the pivot tables from the external data source, we need to select the external data source. So otherwise you can select the table range. Then select that, then click OK. So it will show in the next sheet. So here we have pivot table fields. So we have created the pivot tables by using our source data, date, region and salesperson, product, unit sold, unit price. So here I am finding the total sales by region. So just select the region column. So find the sum of the sales. So here we have total sales, just select that field. So sum of the total sales is 28,900. Just if you want to separate with the commas, select the, so click on the pivot table. Here we have number format. Click on that. So it will show the format cells. So here we have number option. So if you want to give decimal values, just set that decimal places 2 or 3. So use separator, comma, then click OK. So now here we have found that sum of the total sales by region. So now I am going to find out the sales by product. So just select the pivot table, then copy. So here I am pasting this. So I am finding sales by product. So unselect the region, then select the product. See that here, so I have calculated that product by sum of the total sales. And now I'm going to find out the performance by salesperson. So just select the pivot table, then copy. So just unselect the product, then select the salesperson. So here we have found that we have calculated that sum of the total sales by salesperson. So if you can also find the monthly wise trends, then select that, copy, and you have to paste here. So just unselect the salesperson, just select the date. So this is the creation of the pivot tables. So now I am creating the pivot charts according to these pivot tables. So before going to create the dashboards and visualizations, just we have to create the pivot charts and pivot tables for that, and you have to use the timelines and slices to filter the data. So just select the pivot table, go to the insert. So here we have charts, different charts. So click on the pivot chart. To create the pivot chart, the data should be converted into the pivot table. So click on the pivot table, then click on the pivot chart. Select any chart. We have different types of charts, pie charts and bar chart, area and surface. So line chart. Just select any chart from the chart list. Then click OK. So now I'm moving this chart to new sheet. So I'm moving the chart to sheet 3. So here I'm pasting this. So now I'm creating the dashboard by using all charts and pivot tables. So now I'm creating, then click on the pivot table, go to the insert and apply the charts. So here I am using a line chart for the data, then click OK. So now I'm moving this. So again, so I'm creating, I'm creating 4 charts for 4 pivot tables. So you can also use the pie chart. So select that, then click OK. So just move that. So just minimize all charts so you can. So you can also use the timelines for this data. Just go to the insert. So here we have filter, slices and timelines. Select the slicer. So if you want to select the salesperson, so it will show the details, some of the sales, total sales by salesperson. So just select the region, then it will show the some of the total sales by region. Then I'm moving this to sheet 3. So now I'm creating the timelines for the data. Then go to the filters and click on the timeline. Then select OK. Then I'm moving this. So here I have created the dashboard by using the pivot chart and pivot tables. See that? So I have added the timelines for the source data and the regions. So select that. So to filter the data, we have added the slices for the source data. So in this way, we have created the dashboard. So in the next class, I will show you how to create the KPIs for the source data. So we'll discuss in next class.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for live updates. Please visit www.fratelloinitech.com for more courses.